So for those of you who have been following our journey over this season, you would no doubt have seen that we have had a lot of events not go our way as we hoped to be. But that's racing. There's, you roll a dice every time you take the car out, and some things go your way and lots of things don't go your way. But it's that just grit and determination to continue that gets you the satisfaction that you crave from the sport. And what I absolutely love, I think, is that everyone in this team has not for a single second complained. Their effort or determination has wavered at any point. Everyone's always really keen to get here as soon as they can, bring all their tools with them, bring their best attributes about themselves and work as a team and just get on with it. Just absolutely get on with it. And I really do think that is something that's crafted from being within the military. From the point of basic training, you get broken down into a body of a person, and then the military brings you back up and instills all these core values inside you and makes you what is a modern day soldier. Grit, determination, resilience. Resilience is probably the most critical thing this team has had to deal with in the last 6 months. And resilience isn't something you're born with. Resilience is something that's trained into you. You adapt, you create or you amend your mindset to be more forgiving of things and not let them get you down, and be adaptable and just find a way and a solution around a problem. And the military is fantastic at that. The military is known as one of the best problem-solving companies in the world. Our business is always problem-solving, and motorsport has a lot of problems in it. It's just great to have that common bond between all the guys and girls that have essentially been formed through that training process. Whether you've done 25 years or a couple of years, everyone's been through that same crafted process, and so we've all got a similar mindset to these things. No one's down in the doldrums, whining, complaining. Everyone just wants the best. Everyone just wants to work around the problems. They see the problem, they want to work around it, and just make whatever the situation is better. And I absolutely love that. It is the difference between us and the professional teams that are here that get paid whatever they get paid a day. They are essentially employed to be here and do their job, whereas we are here purely on passion. We're not being paid extra to be here whatsoever. And I do feel that makes a difference, because it is pure passion that drives us here. And especially after Spa, that was a real low point for us. In various ways, JC took a big hit on that mentally, and we've done a lot of chatting since. And he's turned up to Donington this weekend, and he's absolutely buzzing. He's in probably the best mental space he's been for most of the season, if not all the season. And I love that, because I know he's going to have a great race. JC's in the team because he's a great driver, and we haven't seen the best from him, but I just know it's coming. He is a phenomenal driver, no doubt, and that's why I championed him to be in this team. And it's my job really to make sure that when anyone in the team is having a bit of a wobble, having a bit of a lack of confidence or a bit of self-doubt, that I remind them why they're so important to this, and their worth within the team and the brand, and just the whole, that they aren't just a statistic in the team. They're a force multiplier in the team. They bring advantage to our team on whatever we're doing, and that just gives me a massive sense of pride, and makes my life and job really easy. Really, I give people a cuddle every now and again just to perk them up and make sure they're on the right path. But I don't really have to do that very often, because everyone does it for each other. Everyone looks after each other in the team. And our good days are on the horizon. I know it. The sun's beaming on us now. I feel like everyone feels like the tides have turned a bit. I hope I'm not eating my words into the next video, but we're in a good place, and that is just pure resilience by the team. And we're just itching. We're just absolutely itching to get some happiness over that finish line for everyone. Everyone deserves it, and I'm looking forward to it.